Hello everyone, welcome to this channel CSINet Life Science, and this is a complete syllabus for dairy microbiology, IRNet, ERS and STO examination 2021. So the unit number 1 is microflora associated with milk and milk product and their importance, morphological, natural, physiological, spoilage, and pathogenic characteristics of commonly occurring microbes in milk and milk product. Newer approaches for classification of microorganisms, types of microbes in normal and mastitic milk, and importance of somatic cell cores, food poisoning, food infection, toxin infections, and other milk-borne disease, emerging food-borne pathogen associated with the milk and milk product, epidemiological studies using DNA fingerprinting technique like RAPD, RFLP, DGGE, TGGE, REP-PCR, etc. Source of microbial contamination of raw milk and their relative importance in influencing quality of milk during production, collection and transportation and storage, microbial and chemical changes in raw milk during the chilling and refrigeration. Unit number 2, bacteriological aspects of processing technique like vectorfugation, thermization, pasteurization, sterilization, boiling UTH, pulse field treatment, and membrane filtration of milk, type of spoilage in heat treated milk, enumeration of heat resistance microbes, germination and sporulation of bacterial spores, prevention of post processing contamination in heated milk, in identification of source of contamination of heat treated milk, DF and Z value for various microbe, heat induced damage and repair in bacterial cells, role of res- resuscitation and recovery of heat injured microbial cell, bacteriological grading of raw and heat treated milk, microbiological spoilage aspects of thermodynamically processed milk, role of psychotropic, thermoduric, thermophilic bacteria and their metabolites in milk spoilage, biofilm. Unit number 3 is naturally occurring preservation system in milk like LP system in immunoglobulin, lysozyme, lactoferron, etc. and preservation of milk product by the physical irradiation and chemical agents, food grade biopreservation, grass, biorectiosins and lactic acid bacteria, nisin and other antimicrobial produced by lactic acid bacteria, LAB, application of bacteriocins as food grade biopreservation in application of bacteriocins as food grade biopreservation in biopreservation biopreservation in enhancing shelf life of food, enhancing antimicrobial potential of lab by the recombinant DNA technology and genetic engineering, residue of antibiotics, detergent, sanitizers, pesticides and aflatoxins in milk, mode of action of microbe and biological consequence, as well as their detection by newer approaches like the charm test and HPLC, ELISA and biosensor based technique. Unit number 4, microbial quality of fat rich product, cream, butter, frozen dairy product, ice cream, concentrated dairy product, evaporated and sweetened condensed milk and dried milk, roller spray dried milk and infant food factor influencing the microbiological quality of our product during their production, processing and handling, storage and distribution, microbial defect defects association with their product and their control, microbiological safety in relations of potential pathogens and their public health significance, national and international microbial standard for dairy product, BIS ICMSF Codex Alimentaries standard. Unit number 5 is lactic acid bacteria as a starter, type of starter culture and their classification, identification of lab based on conventional and molecular techniques such as the 16R RNA sequencing, ribotyping, PCR, DNA fingerprinting, microbiology start culture, of a starter culture, signal and single and multiplication stain culture and custom cultures, associate growth of starter culture, concept of starter growth and metabolism of lactose and citrate, production of taste aroma compound by starter and fermented milk and milk product, changes caused by starter in a milk during growth, modern trend in propagation, production and preservation of starter culture, production of starter concentrates, DVS starter, judging of starter quality and activity, starter defect, starter failure, instruction extinguishing factor associated with starter failure, bacteriophage of dairy starter and their impact on dairy industry, prevention and control of starter, genetic and molecular biology of acid, flavor therapeutic, laboratory of lab, role of plasmid in metabolism, genetic manipulation of lab, of ameliorated performance, food grade cloning and expression vector lab as host in expression and heterologous protein and development of food grade oral vaccine lab genome. Unit number 7 is role of starter in preparation of yogurt, commis and kefir, cultured buttermilk and whey wasted beverage and other fermented products, therapeutical properties of the fermented food, microbial defect in these products, safety and their prevention of control, microbiology of hard, semi-hard and soft varieties of cheese, role of the starter culture and the non-starter lactic acid bacteria during the preparation of ripening of cheese, accelerated ripening of cheese, production of use of microbial rennet substitute, recombinant chymosin and its application, defect in cheese, microbiological safety and their preservation and control, microbiological quality of indigenous dairy product with खोआ छना वेस्ट स्वीट्स बर्फ़ी पेड़ा रसगुल्ला गुलाब जामुन खीर कुल्फ़ी श्रीखंड पनीर दही लस्सी घी etc. Source of microbial contamination, their role in spoilage and these products and their microbiological safety, prevention and control, role of personnel and environment, hygiene at level of production and processing, need for microbiological standard for assessment of quality and safety of indigenous product, concept of TQM and HACCP, implementation of improvement of quality and safety of indigenous product, current role of modified packaging in extending the self stability of indigenous dairy product, anti microbial packaging control and modified atmospheric based technology. Unit number 9 is preparation of byproduct of dairy effluents, microbial fermentation, cleaning and sanitization of equipment, machineries and the other contact surface used in the production and processing of milk and milk product, type of the detergent and the mechanism of soil removal from the surface, efficacy of sanitizers including gaseous disinfectant and evaluation of sanitization disinfectant properties, factor affecting the activity of detergent and sanitization, bulk detergent, commercial detergent and combined detergent sanitization, biological consequence of dairy waste disposal of dairy effluent after the microbial treatment, BOD/COD analysis in dairy effluents, microbiology, quality of air and water used in the dairy plant. Unit number 10 is yes, it is the last unit, and this is the microbial aspects of quality control and quality assurance in production of milk and milk product, good manufacturing practice and relevance of sanitary standard, operational procedure, SSOPs, importance of total quality management in dairy industry, application of HACCP program in dairy industry, safety concern of biofilm formation on equipment, surface and the control, measurement, risk assessment approaches and role of productive microbiology in dairy food, conventional and current method like impedance, ATP, luminescence, and pyruvate, etc. In detection of food pathogen, application of immunological PCR, real-time PCR, DNA probe, microarrays, and biosensor etc. for detection of food pathogen, biosafety of genetically modified organism and food. So thank you for watching this video, and this is the complete syllabus for dairy microbiology. Please share this channel and subscribe this channel.